Okay, so hello guys. Today we are going to be dissecting a cow's eye. So this area right here is the cornea, and this area right here is the tissue that needs to be removed in order to get to the cornea. So what I'm going to do is see if I can remove the muscle or the excess tissue from around the eye so we can get to the cornea. Yeah, that's tissue. I'm gonna try to use some scissors. This is hard. Okay, so now that that's out of the way, we can move it. And as you guys can see, that right there is the optic nerve. So I'm just going to point to it. And that's some of the muscle left over. So this right here is the cornea, and the cornea causes light to be refracted as it enters the eye. So what I'm going to do is cut out the cornea, but make sure to be extra careful so we can examine it and don't hit anything else that's vital. We're removing the cornea from the scleria. Oh, a function of the scleria is that it helps form the eye, and it also protects the eye. Yeah. Just gonna cut. And now we got it. So the cornea, as you can see, it's usually like a invisible clears type color, but since the cow is dead, now it's foggy, but it helps refract light into the eye so we can see. This right here, I gotta get it out. Okay. That is the iris. So right here's the iris. And this little hole in the middle is actually the pupil. Now, if I recall correctly, the pupil actually focuses the light into the eye so it can get refracted at the back of the retina. And this little white thing, this little bud, that is actually the lens. And the lens, it changes shape so it can enable you to focus objects that are nearby and far away. It also focuses light waves on the retina, and it's located on the back of the inside of the eye. It's like it's close to the optic nerve in the retina. Gonna set that aside. Now, there's this clear gel. And what it does, it actually forms the shape of the eye. So, it is called the vitreous humor. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna cut the eye, or the scleria. We're gonna cut it in half so we can get to the retina. So while we get to the retina is composed of tiny light-sensitive nerves that transfer the energy of the light waves to nerve impulses. So then the nerve impulses are then transmitted to the optic nerve located at the back of the brain, or the back of the eye. So this right here is the retina, and inside it has cones, and cones allow us to see color, and rods allow us to see black and white. So now this bluish greenish area right here is called the tapetum. And what the tapetum does is actually this thing for which animals are allowed to see color, and this right here is the optic nerve. But back to the tapetum, it basically allows animals to see in the dark, but humans do not have a tapetum, so yeah. Let me see if I can get a closer look at that. So yeah, that's taped them. And this was the video about cow eye dissection. Hope you enjoyed, and I will see you later. Bye.